You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, bed liner, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, premium sound system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.